Myntri Rangbah ke jela konrat ke sama ke sengi baar la pen urlong ya ki jingang not jong ke Kynhun tem ke Eastern Brook ban ke badai ke Kynhun nong tem ki bam yui da ke ba IT sheki da ki tir tem. Kane ke dai si benta na ke Mekarya Grassroots Music Program ke flagship balastang da ke office ke batmu ban keshan ya ki ba don sap ha ke jela. Kane ke Eastern Brook ban ke kentop ya sangut kit kot ki baju lit tem wada pedang ke jing bam yui jong ki ya lakmat.
Thank you. Tell us your names, all of you, and what instrument you play.
I'm the lead guitarist of Eastern Brook, so my name is Nakyo Akatrina.
And then next.
I am one of I am the lead vocalist of the band.
Great.
And I am Waiki Smaitang, and I am the drummer of this band.
Great. So I think all of us really would like to know what is it that brought you all together and how your band, came together. And when did this happen?
It all started in 2022, like when we first came to notice, like because we wanted to form a band since 2019 and all while we were in school. But we have some hard time and there are some tough challenges going on the way. And then after that, in 2022, when this MGMP started to...
The Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program.
When MGMP started to form, and then we saw the door was opening for us also to make a name for ourselves. And then there we kicked off with our band. And then at first, it was a tough challenge for us with the equipment and the instruments, but then we have few of our friends who said, "Oh, we will help you with that," and then we started, and then we said, "Okay, let's just then form a band," because that is our passion since we were in school. So we kick off with that, and then we make a name for ourselves, and then we got to break the barrier.
Absolutely. And then
it is an honor to be with you in front. I feel so I'm so proud of myself. I'm also a huge fan of you. I saw the way you play guitar and all. So I really look up to you also.
We look up to you, in fact. It's amazing that in spite of so many challenges that you have, that you still manage to follow your dreams and your passion, I should say. And whatever we're doing today is just a small way to show our support for the passion that you have. In fact, I want to just also tell all of you that you will be, and you are already in fact, a great source of inspiration for many of the youngsters of our state, and in fact of the country, that when you believe in something and when you're passionate about something, no matter what challenges there are, if you keep working at it, you will achieve. And you will definitely achieve the goals that you have. So you're a great inspiration, and I really want to congratulate you for what you have done. And what are your future plans? Are you planning to come out with some kind of an album or something?
Yes, actually we are planning the things that we are facing difficult, regarding financial and all. So that's the reason,
you may be in the right place.
Studio is very hard for us. It costs around 20,000 per song.
Right.
So it's difficult for us.
So you'll have to convince me that the song is good for recording, and then we'll work with you for the recording.
So for now, try to compose the song, try to practice properly.
You do that.
After that, let's see.
Yeah,
How to manage regarding
First
financial.
you have to. The music should be also with the.
Yeah.
Should be. It will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely. So we have to be creative also with the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing, and then we'll move ahead.
Absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that your music and your songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing, and we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you. As you know, that the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages.